Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to make some fried apples and raisins on the stove. My mother used to make fried apples and raisins when I was a kid. I haven't had it in many, many years, and I thought I would show you my mom's recipe with the fried apples and raisins, okay? So stay tuned, you're in for a treat. Check out the links below, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thanks. Okay guys, we're on. Alright, so now we're gonna put some, this is some Smart Balance margarine. It supports the healthy cholesterol, okay? This is very good if you have cholesterol. Alright, so we're going to put some Smart margarine in the frying pan. So you see I got heaping tablespoons, right? So that's one, running over, 2, and 3. So these are some green apples that we're going to be using. You can use any kind of apples you like. So I already took the core out and cut them into slices, wedges like that. Okay, I'm going to pour the water off. The water is lemon juice and water because the lemon juice helps to keep it from turning brown. And this is maybe 2 tablespoons of raisins. That doesn't matter how many raisins you want to use. Okay, so now we're gonna, our margarine's melted. Now we're gonna put the apples in. And the raisins. Okay, I'm going to cover that for a few minutes, and then in about maybe 10 minutes I'm going to put the rest of my ingredients on there. I just want it to actually start cooking before I add the brown sugar. We're going to be adding brown sugar, vanilla extract. Mine is Invitation, but you can use pure if you have it. Ground cinnamon. And so we're going to be letting that cook until the apples get soft, okay? And then while the apples are cooking, I'm going to actually, let me get it. I have some biscuits here. Well, why don't I show you what I'm going to do with the biscuits on another video, okay? So I'll finish this and then I'll start the next video with the biscuits to show you how I'm going to doll up the biscuits, okay? Alright, so we're going to let the apples cook while I give you the word of the day. Okay, so the word of the day, sweetheart. Sweetheart, that's the word of the day. So you can choose to be a sweetheart, meaning a nice and sweet and gentle person, or you can choose to be a pet bull, somebody that is always arguing and yelling and going at people. The choice is yours. Now, which one do you think that you would get the most love from? Would you get the most love being a sweetheart, or would you get the most love from the pet bull? Well, we'll let people be the judge on that, but you know which one you consider yourself. So if you don't like being the pet bull, stop. Just stop. Be sweeter, because there's a sweet side to you, and I know it. Bring that out, would you? Okay, that's the word of the day. Sweetheart. Okay. Oh yeah. These fried apples are cooking. And don't slice them too thick, because it takes twice as long when you slice them too thick. And if you are the type that you don't like the peeling, you can take them off. I left the peeling on because I think the peeling gives a little more health benefit. Okay, so we have our brown sugar here, okay? So I'm going to put about 1, 2, about 2 fistfuls of brown sugar, which is probably around a ½ a cup of sugar. And now I'm going to add the vanilla. I'm going to add 2 caps of vanilla. 1, 2. If you don't like the vanilla, don't put it in. You can also use almond extract or some other extract that you like. Now I'm going to add the cinnamon. Okay, so we have everything we need there. Now let me mix this up. The brown sugar is going to definitely thicken it up and make like a syrup type base to it. So I'm going to have to add a little water. If not, this will all stick. So this is a cup. Okay, I have about a ½ a cup here of water. May or may not use it all. Let's see. Yeah, I used about a 1/4 of a cup right now. You want the liquid to be definitely loose, not like thick like a paste, because it's going to thicken up more as it cooks. Okay, I'll put my top back on. Okay, so I'm going to turn that down to about a number 2 on my stove, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I just cut the fried apples off. They was cooking for, I would say, 20 minutes once the margarine and the broth started cooking. So the way you tell if it's done is you want to take a fork and stick in and feel if it's soft. If it's soft, you're good. And mine is soft. Another way you can tell is just take the fork and bear down on one. If it goes down easily, you're good. Okay, so ours are done. Let me plate that up and show you. Look at that, guys. Does that look good or what? And the broth is almost boiled out. That's kind of the way you want it, because you don't want it watery. I'm gently placing them in this bowl. Oh, that looks marvelous. It looks really, really good. I'm just going to pour the rest of this juice right over the top. Not that much that it will be too watery. Okay, let me come right back and taste that for you, and I want to give an extra word of the day to my mom who have passed and went on, because this is her recipe. Okay, I'm going to talk to my mom. Give me a minute. Okay, let me give a word of the day, especially to my mom who have left and went to heaven. Mom, if you're listening, I let the world see how you taught me how to make the fried apples and raisins. And I know you're smiling down today when I did this, because it reminds me of you. And I miss you and love you and wish you were still here, but I know you're in a better place. Okay, that's for you, Mom. This one is just for you. Alright, so let me taste it. Let me let you get another look. Fried apples and raisins. Look at that. Wow. Now let's taste. Let's see. My. First of all, I like green apples. The flavor is just so good. And then you fry that with some margarine or butter, and then you put that brown sugar on there and cinnamon with the flavor from those raisins. Oh, home run. This one you want to try, okay? Try it with some biscuits, try it with some toast, try it for breakfast. Oh, you got to try it. Oh, even with some pork, okay? Alright, that's Grandma Ray Don't Play. Checking out on my mom's fried apples and raisins. Okay, talk to you soon. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Check out my links below if you want to support this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.